Today we're talking about one of our brightest and shiniest DIY products. That's the LED self-lighting work light. Used as a single light or linked together in a chain, these easy to carry products deliver a broad, near shadow-free illumination for all manner of jobs. So, whether you're plastering or completing general decorating work, with this kit in hand, you'll have the power to work around the clock and see the finer details of your masterpiece. At the bottom of each uplight, there's a rubber counterweight base with a few different uses. First of all, it ensures that if the lights are knocked or pushed, they return to their upright position, much like a roly-poly toy. They are cleverly designed to absorb slight knocks by rocking on their base when bumped. But this model also features a 110 volt socket, which can be used to power hand tools, a radio or additional light units. If you decide to run a chain of lights, just make sure that the total power drawn from the socket of the first unit doesn't exceed 1724 watts. The maximum number of uplights you can connect in any run is 48. Every self-lighting work light is fitted with a 5 metre cable, so you should have no issues positioning it next to where you're working. There are also built-in handles to help make transportation between jobs more manageable. If you want to get started with our self-lighting work lights, head over to hss.com today.